Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Pretty Sarah. Today I share with you this healthy green juice together with the snack you see in there. I'll show you how I got this snack. It's not what you're thinking. Stay with me and I'll show you. Let's get started. These are the fruits and the vegetables that I'm using. I've got celery, I've got cucumber, lime, lemon, some Granny Smith apples, and pineapple. So use any fruits of your choice. Wash them nicely and cut them up. Put them in the blender, but don't add the lemon or the lime, okay? And make sure that you are blending with potable water, drinkable, because we are not going to cook this. We are just going to drink it directly. Put them in your blender and blend until very smooth. You don't even need a juicer, right? Good, no excuses. Once that is done, go ahead and strain it. Make sure that the mesh of your strainer is tiny. Have you ever thought of the amount of meat or protein that we consume? Listen, it wouldn't hurt doing this once in a month, once every 2 months, or if you're like me, once every 3 months, okay? But please don't take this out of your routine. We need to cleanse our system, detox, and live a healthy life. If today is your first time stopping by, as I said earlier, the name is Pretty Sarah. And please consider becoming a part of this beautiful channel. Don't forget to like this video, okay? Give me a thumbs up. It's free of charge. And please engage in my videos. All the ingredients that we are using are good for our immune system. They have anti-inflammatory properties. In case you doubt, please do your research. So as you can see on the screen, I'm squeezing my lemon and my lime in. No excuses, as I said before. Look at how green this juice is. Isn't this healthy? My dear, please try to incorporate this in your daily living. Now to what was left in the strainer, in the mesh. That's what you see in there. Wash 1 apple, the Granny Smith, okay, to be precise. That's also good for weight loss, for detox. You can snack on this or use it as breakfast. It's the color for me. This is a perfect breakfast recipe, and I'm not even joking. A snack, or if you don't want to eat in the evening, this is also good for you. Thank you once again for watching me today too. I hope your vlogmas is going well. Don't forget to subscribe. Because I'll be traveling tomorrow, I put mine in this container and it's going straight in the freezer to be taken with me tomorrow.